Just in time for Halloween, Nike will be releasing a third edition of the Air Force One skeleton silhouette. Dressed in a brilliant orange and black color scheme, much like the previous two, this Nike Air Force One features a signature skeleton X-ray print on its orange leather upper atop a glow-in-the-dark translucent outsole. Look for the Nike Air Force One orange skeleton to release October 28th at select retailers and the sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $130 US. Now I will leave links to all the places holding raffles and places dropping this shoe in the description below, so definitely check those out. Now I'll get into resale because I do think there is going to be some resale on this sneaker, but before we do that, let's just go over the colorway. Like I said, it's a skeleton model but in an orange version. I love the X-ray print they have on the side. If you look closely, there's just a lot of detail on that foot and it just gives a really cool look. On the heel tab, you have Nike Air embroidered in black. Got an orange tongue, orange laces. It does come with a black Air Force little lace tag on the bottom. Orange insole with that skeleton print and a Nike Air logo. Now my favorite part is this mid and outsole. You got this translucent glow in the dark outsole, which, you know, it's obviously perfect for Halloween. Like I said, the shoe will be dropping on the sneakers app, and there's no guaranteed way to get any pair of shoes off the sneakers app. In fact, it's like almost impossible to actually win a pair of shoes on the sneakers app, but there are a few tips and tricks to help your chances, and I'm gonna just go over those real quick. Your biggest things you're gonna wanna do are preset all your settings, you know, your payment information, shipping information. I'd say the biggest thing to do is set up the Touch ID feature. So go into your settings, make sure that Touch ID feature is set to on. So whether you have a fingerprint setting or a face scan setting on your phone, you're pretty much gonna hit buy, it's gonna do that feature, and bam, just like that, you get put into sneakers app. Little algorithm, which in my opinion is garbage. On to resell. This shoe retails at $130. I see this shoe going for around $250, you know, give or take 25 bucks. Depending on the size, I think the lower sizes will have better resell. Any of your sizes around like a size 8 should have higher resell than say a size 10. I do think resell will stay kind of high around that $250, like I said, at least until Halloween's over. Then it might drop a little bit, maybe down to like $200, $190, and then with time I think we'll just go up. But yeah, there's my take on the shoe, my resale predictions. I do like this sneaker, I will be going for it. Let me know what you guys think. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.